Hi, biology students. It's Miss Teslin, and we're recording an assignment, making a video for Module 5, which is mostly about drawing assignments, but this particular one is examining the characteristics of all the different phyla that we've been learning about, so all the invertebrate phyla. So we're going down to 5.10, and we're going to click on the slide deck. And there's not a lot to it because we've been learning about each of these different characteristics. The main thing you want to remember is the phylum Chordata is when you have an actual spinal cord, which includes animals like fish, amphibians, reptiles, and mammals, and birds. Okay, and the invertebrate, which we've just been learning a lot about, do not have a spinal cord. Okay, so going along, oops, where are we? Okay, so as you've been taking notes, hopefully, you're going to be going back through those other slide decks. You're going to name the phyla that you find this in. Okay, so remember all these different examples are here. Okay, so they're listed there. The important thing is to identify the correct phylum and what you use to identify that phylum. Okay, so notice I should tell you, there is this chordata, which is the spinal cord. Okay, so there is an animal there that does have a spinal cord, if you can identify which one that is. Blowing this up, you can recognize the worms, the different worms. Okay, and this here, the asymmetrical organism there. The characteristics of these phylum, you can go back and just list them. And then finally, looking back on the last slide deck, which I just made a video about, Echinodermata, the starfish, you're going to explain each part and how it functions and what it does. Okay, the coelom, the body cavity, gills, ampulla, I know we talked a lot about that, tube feet, radial canal, the stomach, I'm sure you can figure out, pyloric cecum, dorsal surface, the outside, the oral surface, madreporite, and anus, obviously. We know what that is. Anyhow, so those are the worksheets. It's pretty comprehensive. A lot of it, though, is actually, so the first part is identifying, and then the rest of it is really going back on your notes, and then finally doing a little bit of research about starfish in particular. Good luck.